If your iPhone contacts are not syncing to the iCloud, or whenever you add a contact, it's not automatically updating across all of your iCloud devices, I'm going to walk you through some easy steps to definitely get that fixed. So let's jump right in. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. From the Settings app, tap on your name at the top, scroll down a little bit, and tap on iCloud midway down. From here, next to Save to iCloud, tap on See All, and then scroll down until you get to contacts on this list. First, we're going to toggle this off, and we're going to hit Keep on My iPhone. Essentially, what this does is it downloads all of those contacts from the iCloud onto your iPhone, and then we're going to resync it up. So after we've done that, we're just going to toggle this back on, and I'm going to hit merge. This will resync up all of those contacts through iCloud. However, if that doesn't work for you, tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings. Scroll down and tap on apps at the bottom. And then we're going to scroll down until we get to contacts on this list and tap on that. Next, tap on contacts accounts at the top, and then tap on iCloud at the top. Make sure under Sync This iPhone, Contacts is toggled on here. Of course, if it is toggled off, make sure to toggle it on. And you're going to also want to tap the back arrow. And then as you scroll down from here, tap on Default Account and make sure to switch this to iCloud so that when you add new contacts, it's automatically in the iCloud and synced up through iCloud. After we've done that, tap the back arrow until we get to the beginning of your settings. Tap on your name at the top here, and then tap on iCloud midway down. Make sure that you have enough storage to fit those iCloud contacts. Of course, they don't take up a lot of space, but if you've run out of iCloud space, it won't be able to sync those up. And now let's check to see if those iCloud contacts are not even in iCloud. They're maybe on another account, and you need to bring them into iCloud. So to do that, let's hop into the phone app. You can do this in the contacts app as well. Tap on contacts at the bottom center, and then tap on the back arrow at the top left. You can see I was in all contacts. However, if I scroll down, I can see all iCloud contacts. These are just the contacts that are in my iCloud. However, if I tap back here, there are some contacts, for instance, all Gmail, that are in my Gmail and not in my iCloud. So if that is the case, you might need to export all of those emails or contacts, phone numbers, all that stuff from your Gmail or email account and bring them over to your iCloud. Essentially, all you need to do is open up a web browser and then just search for that contact within Google or wherever it's at, export it, and then import it into your iCloud. Now, at this point, most creators ask you to like or subscribe. I'm not going to do that. I just want to thank you for spending a couple minutes of your day here with me. I know your time is valuable, so I really hope this video helped you out and made your life a little easier today.